In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your schoolwork in ClickUp step by step using a ready-made school schedule template. This setup is perfect for students who want to manage classes, assignments, deadlines, and study time all in one place. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your workspace, create a new space where all your school-related work will live. This keeps your academic tasks separate from everything else and makes things much easier to manage. Next, click on the plus icon to add a new item. When prompted, type in School Schedule. This helps ClickUp understand what kind of setup you're looking for. After that, click on Use Templates. ClickUp has built-in templates that save you a lot of time, and this is where the magic happens. From the template options, find and click on the School Schedule template. Take a moment to review what's included, like classes, tasks, and timelines. When you're ready, click on Use Template. Now, choose the location where you want this template added. This is usually the space you just created for schoolwork. Once selected, click on Use Template again to finalize it. And just like that, your schoolwork is fully organized inside ClickUp with a structured schedule you can customize anytime. You can now add assignments, due dates, reminders, and even track your progress throughout the semester. If this video helped you get organized, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching.